In this video, we are going to learn English counting 1 to 100. Can you write counting? Yes, we can write. How? Let's start. First color, orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. 1 0 is 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 kids, 20, 20 is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. 30 is 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40 my kids. 40 is 40. After 40 we have 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50 बच्चों 50. 50 is 50. After 51, 51, 52, 53, 54. This is 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60. We have written 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70 kids, 70. Now 71, 72, 73, 74, 74, 75, 76. This is 77, 78, 79, 80 बच्चों 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90 बच्चों 90, 90 होता है 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 100. 100 is 100. तो हमने लिखना सीखा 1 से 100 तक counting with the help of our sketch pens. The color we use is orange. This is blue, yellow, light green, red color, blue, pink, purple, orange and light green. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye kids.